Welcome back to Booze and Rocks, where we make cocktails for everyone. My name is David Edwards, and today I was sitting around looking at my jackknife thinking to myself, jackknife or drink? Jackknife, drink. Jackknife, jackknife, Jack Daniels. Oh, have I got a drink for you? Let's get into it. It's great to have every single one of you back here today. We are going to make one of the most complex cocktails I've made for a while. Okay, let's be honest, it's going to be dead simple. The only thing simpler would be upending the bottle of Jack and drinking it straight from the bottle, like I did when I was 18 years old. And that takes me to a story. When I went to a party, I was 18 years old. We were at a friend's, we had a bonfire, and he lived right next to a cornfield. We drank way too much Jack, ran through the cornfield, had a great time. But we drank so much that most of us didn't touch Jack Daniels after that for a while. And everybody sort of seems to have one of those liquors or one of those drinks that, college, high school, or just afterwards, you kind of stay away from. But I'm coming back to it now, a number of years later, and I'm trying new things with it. So let's get into this cocktail called the Jackknife. And I found this cocktail on Mix That Drink, and I'll put a link down in the description down below for you to take a look at your leisure. This is a 2-ingredient cocktail. Of course, it's Jack and a cream whiskey. So the first thing we're going to do is grab your Jack Daniels and go, yeah, give it a good sniff. Yeah, that's Jack. I remember that smell oh so well. And we need 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. That's a fair amount of Jack, right? Yeah, but it smells good, tastes good. Now what you're going to do is use your cream whiskey of choice. In this case, I'm using Gretzky's number 99. It's what I have. You could use Bailey's. In fact, the original recipe calls for Bailey's, but use what you like and what you have on hand. And we're going to use 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. Oh, this stuff is awesome. Awesome. Number 99 himself makes this, or at least his company makes this. Grab some ice. Okay, throw that back. And we're just gonna shake this for a good 10 to 15 seconds. Ooh, that was close. Make sure you got a real good seal on this. All right, smack that open with the strength of 1,000 JDs. Quick fact for those of you that are unaware, Jack Daniels is made in Lynchburg, Tennessee, which is technically a dry county in the States, and the only place where you can buy alcohol is literally at their gift shop. Now, grab your rocks glass of choice. In this case, I'm just using the classic rocks. Throw some ice in there. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fine strain this just because I want to keep the little ice shards out. Looks great, we're almost done. The original recipe does not call for a garnish. However, I am going to grab a lime peel, and this is just for color. It has nothing to do with odor, smell, oils at all. And I just want to make a nice little twist. And this is going to be a small twist. Trim the edges so it looks pretty. Twist it nice and tight. Throw that on there, just for a little bit of color. Let's give it a smell. So immediately, of course, you're gonna get that little hint of lime right there. But you get a little bit of the Jack and a little bit of the cream whiskey, and it's not over strong. Oh, that's good, that's good. The Jack comes ringing through. It pairs well with the cream whiskey. It's not super heavy. This is a perfect after dinner drink. Oh, the Jack is not too strong. The cream whiskey sits right there. Ooh, I like this. Perfect evening drink, relaxing, enjoying yourself. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the ingredients and the method of how to make this down in the description down below. If you think we should use a different cream whiskey, let me know in the comments. If you think we should try this with a different type of Jack, please leave a comment down below. I'm willing to try anything. You know what? What I will do though, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time we put up a new video, you will be notified. And if you'd like to help support the channel, please check us out at patreon.com/booze on the rocks, because every little bit helps us to bring these videos to you. You have a great evening. I found this recipe while I was looking up Jack Daniel's